your girl, the Joy Bisola, and you're welcome to season 2 of the She series, episode 1. And with me here is a beautiful, elegant, a wonderful lady, my dear friend that's so close to my heart. And with me is the Beamer, and today we'll be talking about speak with wisdom, how to speak with wisdom. Ever wondered why some women speak and the whole room listens, and while others talk and nobody take them seriously? It is not about volume, it is wisdom. And Proverbs 31:26 says, she opens her mouth with wisdom, and the teaching of kindness is on her tongue. That means your words are not just noise, they are a tool, a weapon, a fragrance. And the question is, how are you using yours? So let us hear from our guest speaker, the Beamer.
Hi, my name is Aremu Eleanor, the Beamer. So today, Jebsa, thank you for the question. And I will be speaking on speak with wisdom. Speaking with wisdom isn't just for pastors and CEOs. It is for we ladies also. It is for you in your daily life, at work, at home, with friends, even online. So don't use your words to tear people down, compare or belittle. Use your word to make people feel their self, not to feel low of their self, to inspire them. Thank you. Instead, let your words inspire, let it influence and elevate. Your voice is your power. Use it to open doors, not close them. Because some ladies, they will use their words to belittle you, and the person they talk to, the person will feel so low, and that person can develop what we call low self-esteem. Yes. So ladies out there, let us make sure we use our words very well, not to tear people down, but to elevate and to inspire. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Debima. If there's something that I really capture is use your words to inspire, to influence, and to elevate. Don't use your words to belittle, most especially your fellow ladies, your fellow sisters. Don't use your words to belittle them. That's very wonderful. Now let us look at the practical aspect of it. Something like, now when we are saying that wisdom isn't just what you say, it's how you say it. Do you get something like, okay, walking into a meeting or even a casual outing, and your words and your look should align. Imagine you dressing very nice, very okay, and the words that come out from your mouth, people tell you like, wow, what's this? It's not even going. So what are the things that you can say when it comes about the practical aspect of you speaking with wisdom?
You don't have to break a bank for you to dress well.
Yes, definitely.
Like, you don't have to maybe spend a lot of money for you to dress well.
Yeah.
You can manage what is in your wardrobe just for you to look well and presentable. But that depends on how you carry yourself, the color combination of your dresses also. And whenever you talk with wisdom. Even before you talk, your dressing already speaks. Like, it already speaks what you want to say to people. So you can dress simple, affordable, elegant. You can dress simple, affordable, elegant, basics. Every woman should own to look classy without breaking the bank. So when you speak with wisdom, your style backs it up.
So what you are saying now is that when you speak, it matters with the way you also dress.
Yes. So when you speak, your style will back it up. People will not see you and be like, see how you dress. And you are saying something that makes sense, but they will not follow what you are saying. Because the way you dress, that's why they said the way you dress is the way you are dressed. Yes.
Wow, I think that's wonderful. I'm very sure you guys have learned something, right? Speak with wisdom, and what is backing it up is how you dress, how you carry yourself.
Yes.
And don't forget, let your words elevate, don't let your words belittle. I think that's wonderful.
Yeah.
Queen, this season is all about giving you value that transform your elegance inside and out. So your words are very powerful, sisters. Your words are very powerful. Know how you speak. It is very, very important for we ladies. And then, ever whether why some women command respect without even raising their voices. So it's not even about you shouting.
Yes.
It's the power that comes with your words, how you speak. You can speak words and people like, wow. That kind of thing. But so it's because those that speak and command respect is because they have mastered the art of speaking with wisdom. I think, they already know how to speak. They know when to speak. It's not to, when somebody is speaking, they are cut somebody off. That's very, very bad.
Really,
so you need to know when to come in. You need to know when to put your own contribution. Maybe you want to contribute, you want to address something, you want to provide a solution. You know when to do it. That's the meaning of you speaking with wisdom. And another thing that comes with speaking with wisdom is have the skills, listening skills. I think is key. Like listening skills. Make sure you listen very, very well. And don't forget our text, Proverbs 31:26, which says, she opens her mouth with wisdom. The teaching of her kindness is on her tongue. And I think we've learned something today. So in this episode, remember, like our guest speaker has spoken, and she has dropped timeless gems, so you can start applying it. It's one thing for you to learn, it's another thing for you to apply it. So apply this wisdom, speak with wisdom, speak with elegance, dress well, because the way you dress is the way you'll be addressed. So remember, your voice is your power. Use it wisely. I think that's the advice I have for you from Teacher Ibisola. So you want to go deeper, join our Classic Tribe community, where we grow together in wisdom, in elegance, and in poise. So if you want to join the community, which has the feminine wings of it, which is known as the She Ethereal Circle, can comment community on this particular post below, or hit the link in bio to join today. I can't wait to see you there. So thank you very much, Dibima, for coming around. We really learned a lot. God bless you. Thank you.
See ya.